I don't have a lot. I'm back to being support again, Chris.
You got good taste.
It's fine. I have heat shields. Yeah.
I knocked him with a headshot for 149 damage, by the way.
Beautiful. 10 out of 10. Do you want to go on the hill? See if we can get some long distance.
That's where the other
kills.
team is.
That's fine. They just killed the entire squad. Knocked.
Enemy down.
Only sniper in him again.
Optics here. Sniper. Sniper ammo here. Sniper ammo here.
I found some.
Standard stock here. Level 2.
If it makes you feel any better, there was 0 field cells over there.
I have crafting to do.
Attention. Optics here. Mid range.
I need that. It's mine. Sorry. I'm a tease. Just kidding. That's fine.
Facts.
What?
I said facts.
For what?
You being a tease?
Oh yeah, you're right.
I've leveled up. An upgrade awaits.
Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go hit my bin real quick.
Ring countdown.
We're already in the next ring. Good. More time to loot.
Level 1.
Deebs.
Extended heavy magazine here. Level 2.
Deebs.
Damn, dude.
No, I'm not even finding the freaking
Activating jump
gun I
drive.
want right now. Oh, here's a level 3.
Stabilizer here. Level 3.
I left you.
Found by my hand.
Recharging my
Second squad.
enemy here.
Damn.
Opening shop. Come see the merchandise.
There's nothing here.
Hell of a time to go shopping.
Did you just take those shield cells? I don't. Okay.
I had the 1. Ways.
I have 0.
Oh.
Hold on, I need to heal. Hold on, I need to heal.
Stress, 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 stress. You, Chris.
Extended heavy magazine here. Level 3.
Actually, no, I'm taking that. I'm dropping my light, though.
Anyone up for some shopping? Nice choice. You got good taste. We're already inside the next. My favorite kind of loot. The kind that's all mine.
I'm going to take that purple stabilizer back.
Optics here. Mid range.
I hear you. Where are you, little robot?
Yeah. Oh, he's up top.
I want him.
Oh, he's not up top.
We've got 30 seconds to be somewhere else if we don't want to get cooked. Jump drive in position.
Are you fucking shooting my dick right now?
Yeah, I got him. Don't notice me, don't notice me, don't notice me.
This way, let's go. Deploying a respawn beacon.
Ring is moving, Fly fighters. No one is inside.
Target spotted. Far. Shooting. Enemy shield cracked.
Oh god, right here too.
We're just gonna stay here.
Recharging my shields.
For a second.
Thanks, Nova. He's getting pushed.
Reloading.
Half a minute. Ring is near.
Throwing an arc star. Another squad's attacking.
I don't have any fucking.
Team up there, Waves.
Okay. Let's go that way.
Let's head that way.
Meet me here.
I am taking fire. Hostile close.
I bet we'll find something good here. Jump shot.
Here.
Shops open. For VIPs only.
See if I get a jump tower. Nope. Just heat shields.
My favorite kind of loot. The kind that's all mine. Nice choice. You got good taste.
We're still in circle.
I need
I
to
know.
choose an upgrade. A hesitant.
You do have heat shields, so yeah, you're good to get over there too.
I
Awesome.
know, Jazz. I know I'm good. I play this game too.
I got worried for a moment. I was like, ah man, she's gotta go back and storm, but like,
I mean, I could technically go get you guys out of storm at that place. It's only a second ring.
Half down. Have to go.
Where is it at?
it's right there. Before you use your heat shields, open up your bin, because it should give you. Actually, I don't know if you need to grab us beforehand. There's certain coding involved where, depending on when if you grab us first and then open it, it might give you a respawn. I don't know what the coding is.
I looted our teammate's banner. Activating a heat shield. Extra treasures here. You're welcome.
So good. Great
Guess
way
what?
for rank.
It threw me on a mountain.
Oh, that's good.
1 minute until the ring closes. Still got time to loot.
Stop it, you two. Stop. Stop saying shit like that. Alright, so I need a sniper.
Seconds across the
You know what's crazy? I have less ping when I play fucking the other game than I do in this one every time.
I think there might be something wrong with your account.
here. Level 3.
Just what I needed.
I actually don't need that.
Open up shop and shut them down.
Already?
Already what?
Mama's got you now.
There isn't a single sniper in this area.
I mean, have you learned the ways now?
Be cute. You don't have to be a support if you don't want to, Chris. I can be support. I'm gonna be Loba.
Get ready. Today is not after what I
You still playing Loba anyways?
Nothing down there scares.
I like being able to loot fast and rank.
Dude, but that fucking Bloodhound, man, just standing out in the open so often.
Those drive me crazy.
This is your champion.
Don't say that.
Fucking weird lag spikes, but like they never made a difference in hitting people. They would just randomly lag. I was like getting my sniper shot ready to aim, and then all of a sudden they would disappear. And I'm like, I'm glad I didn't shoot.
I was aiming at someone, and then I got sniped by someone. You're back!
You're back! Yeah. I told him going next to you guys.
Oh, that's fair.
Oh, did they invite you too?
Like, I'm gonna play with them, but I'll hang out for a second.
Yeah.
Is that what happened?
Pretty much, yeah.
Alright. I feel like that'll be better defrosting if it's in a plastic bag and it's directly hitting it versus like it wasn't even touching it.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
You playing Lifeline?
Yeah.
Thank you for being my big dumb champ.
Oh.
I'm streaming.
Yeah.
See, if you did this more often, you would get fed.
It's with.
Is he?
Yeah.
Did you leave the party?
Yeah, I think so.
It's
No, he's
starting
on
to
the
get
party.
kind of soft.
Thanks, Moose, for cheering us on.
I'm gonna put the chicken in a bag, chicken in a bag, chicken in a bag. I just don't feel like it's defrosting in
I've
that
done
thing.
some of my best work there.
Oh, there he is.
We've got 10 seconds.
Grenade incoming.
He's weak.
Cracked an enemy shield.
I know.
Reload.
They just shielded him.
Recharging my shields.
Taking fire.
Shit!
I've been downed.
So both are you guys?
Yeah, I fucked up.
Tossing an arc star. Lost one.
Nice one.
Grenade out. I looted our teammate's banner.
Oh, that's not a good place to throw.
Jump.
Got my ultimate ready.
Sniper.
Preparing them.
Oh, fucking A, dude.
They're shooting at me.
Oh, shit.
Here,
Recharging
we're gonna go
my
through the
shields.
tunnels. Apparently, I am not close enough.
I have my alt.
Give you ult. Big Blake plays for it.
Let's do some shopping.
Phoenix kit. Holy cow, that's.
You got good taste.
I needed that laser sight.
I'm sorry.
Someone else that I didn't even see.
Yeah, we
Sitting
had
behind.
two teams directly in front of us and then one off to the right. And I'm like,
find something
there's no good place for us to go. Where that place is still open. Why am I lagging?
I don't know. Why are you lagging?
Now my ping's 200 right now.
Why is your ping 200?
You should ask it. You say you're sitting still on yours?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say start to rank. Oh, okay.
First
Fine.
blood already. That's what happens when you
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
It's a good start to rank. Lagging the entire time.
loot as you go.
Oh, you.
Jump drive out.
What do they do?
They're coming by us again.
Taking fire.
Oh shit!
Recharging my shields.
I'm out of here.
Hold on, I need to heal. Come with me. Over here.
Got a replicator incoming.
Dude, that was a hell of a fucking bullet, dude.
Recharging.
Hold on, I need to heal. Don't drive out. Hold on, I need to heal.
Ooh, fuck this sniper.
Yeah, that sniper
Where at?
over there.
Get there.
In combat. Broken enemy.
I'm under fire. Reloading.
Using jump drive.
I just did the stupidest thing ever.
Replicator incoming.
Actually not.
Taking fire.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
It's
I'm
another
dead.
team. It's another team. Just dip.
I'm dipping.
Don't dip too far. I'm able to make it to you.
Dipping.
Cover me. I'm using a Phoenix kit.
It's a good hole. Well, he's dead.
I guess he's in the room below me. I'll show you.
Repair packet.
Where is he in this
I feel
one?
good about this care
Oh,
package.
here it is.
Shall we?
Yay.
A new level.
Let's buy us?
Upgrade is a
A
fitting
golden loot
reward.
box. Loot bin?
Oh.
Or golden longbow.
Upgrade chosen. If only I could have taken both.
Oh, we are getting scammed from right there, though.
Interests me.
I don't like that.
I need a laser sight.
Extended heavy mag here.
I also need a laser sight.
I think there's enemy
Right here.
in the area.
Enemy over. Lovely idea.
Void running.
Run, Chris! There's good. There's a team to the left of me, so we're just gonna leave.
I hate running away from the game.
Sending up an evac tower. Shooting.
Fire. Enemy shield cracked.
Where the hell is it?
Extra treasures here. You're welcome.
Yes, I saved a bat.
Need to recharge my shields.
Alright, but that's fine.
She's almost dead, dude. No.
I think
Yeah,
the best
she-
was.
It's not
Yeah, she
you.
threw her bracelet
It's
right in the middle.
Yeah, I was like, well,
She
that's
threw
not a
it in
good
the
place.
fucking. The dude literally tossed his head up.
I was like, oh, that's where the fight is. I didn't analyze. It's okay. I be doing that. I be doing goofball stuff. I gotta get E's, 5 a.m. wake up. Good luck and have a good stream. Thank you, Moose. Sleep good. Have a good night.
Ah, is that helping the chicken to thaw faster? Oh yeah, that made a huge difference, Wiz.
That's good.
into the shop. Don't energy to me.
I'm in. Never mind. No, not safe.
That hurt. Come with me over here.
Yeah, that's why I didn't go there.
You're dead.
If I had a light mag,
I always
Jesus
get what
Christ.
catches my eye. Today,
Damn.
it was you.
That was terrifying. I did a lot of sniping.
Good placement. I don't care.
Yay, placement. Let's go placement. Bow, bow. How's the chicken looking?
I just sent an invite to Chris.
Oh, Chris.
Chris!
Oh, he's.
I
I don't think you're gonna make it to me, Chaz.
You're gonna need to walk closer to me.
It's like a lot of effort.
Never mind.
Probably die. That's what I thought.
I almost made it to complete safety walking towards you. I'm literally like a foot away.
I've got 45 seconds.
We got good points. You got a jump tower, don't
A few more things.
No, I got heat shields.
Okay. Well, just keep going that way and head towards bunker.
I'll get some more
30
heals.
seconds to be somewhere else.
Oh, that was a weird lag.
Jump drive in position.
You go up the rock. Thank you.
10 seconds until the ring closes. I've got to move.
I would go back somewhere.
Care package over there. Just
Okay, I'm going
Yep.
to the back side where they were.
Oh shit!
jump drive in position. Recharging my shields.
My girlfriend shot me.
Frag out.
I hit him for 50.
Thermite grenade out. Time to bind you. Recharging my shield. Void jumping. Phase tear. Recharging my shield. Shields are depleted. Recharging.
Recharging shields.
Patching myself up.
I see someone over there. Taking fire.
Fuck! Why am I not hitting my shots? There we go.
Reloading. Taking fire. EMP, get down.
Caught like a rat in a trap.
I am running out of shield fast. Okay, let's get.
Recharging shields. Quick over there.
Fair enough.
Shooting. Started an enemy shield. Reloading.
They used the mobile I gave them.
Oh,
Lucky them, right?
They spawned too. Why are you guys running away?
I don't know.
We've
Where
got
are
30
you,
seconds
Chris?
to get to the next ring. If you go down, I'm not carrying you.
It's okay. You can be scared.
Jump drive in position.
Excuse me.
Yeah, after this game, it should be the thaw. He's gonna grill it.
I was thinking about wrapping it, seasoning it, and putting it in the oven for 30 minutes. Like last
I
time.
don't blame you. It's the easier way to cook chicken for sure.
Take out.
Something's whispering in your ear, distracting you. Silence it. With the right moves, they take this win.
This is your champion.
Hey, you said something about my horns during streams, but I was still asleep.
I don't remember.
I'm the jump
I
master.
don't remember.
Don't be afraid. Just close your eyes.
Make him.
Yeah, and they're like right out of my range too.
Looks like that champion was all talk. I looted our team.
Do you want to bring him here? I have a mobile. They're gonna come right
I
for us.
also have a mobile.
They're gonna bring us right onto
Nope.
us if we spawn up here.
Fine. We'll leave. We can bamboozle them. I think we're bringing him right here. I'll use my mobile as a bamboozle.
Lucky us.
All right.
We have a mobile respawn beacon. I wonder what will activating jump drive.
What's in here? Ooh. Ooh.
And
Ooh. Ooh.
Close range.
where are you at, Wiz?
Standard
Are you
stock here.
on the
Level
backside of
1.
Storm?
We're scattered.
Yeah, I'm fast. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Yeah, we are scattered as fuck.
Jump.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
I needed those. Run, Chris! Run! No!
Yeah. Keep running.
Evac tower. Lost one. We're on our own now.
It'd be better just to...
This will bind them. Shields are depleted. Recharging.
I see an enemy. Taking fire.
You fuckers.
I heard them. Damn it.
Help!
I'm down.
I got it.
I spy an enemy. Hold on, I need to heal.
Need to reach.
Yeah, full team.
Are we ready? Look at evac tower or something.
Rings nearby.
Tossing thermite. Recharging shields.
I don't have any shields left.
Lucky us. We have a mobile respawn beacon.
Then,
Standard stock here. Barrel stabilizer here. Level 2.
Jazz, what are you doing?
Shot connected.
We should avoid here.
Over
see
here.
What we have over here.
I was getting revenge. I got revenge.
Fair enough.
There's an enemy near me.
Yeah, they're below me.
Jump drive in position. I wonder what we'll find over there. Come. Hold on, I need to heal. Tossing jump drive. Deploying a respawn beacon.
Hopefully that doesn't kill you from where you're...
We have a replicator coming in.
Yay! 8th place.
And jump drive in position.
There's a team. I have a sniper.
Ooh, I'm so happy you got a sniper, but I don't.
It's not a sniper you'd want anyways.
Yeah, I want it.
Optics here. Mid-range.
I do bring it to gifts
Remember who
though.
hooked you up? I've got your back.
I actually do
We're
need
all
that heavy
outside the
mag.
ring and a wall of death is coming our way. Jump drive in position.
This location is
Not getting a fucking sniper.
Oh, there's a...
Sad days.
Yay! I'll take all of that.
Laser
I'll
sight
take
here.
that.
Level
And
2.
then I'll take that. Oh, I need sniper ammo.
Chaz is greedy.
There is no sniper ammo.
There's no sniper in this area.
So that literally was the...
Jump drive set.
He followed us.
Recharging shield.
Oh my god, you scared that poo poo pee pee out of me. Let's go over here.
Let's head that way.
Yeah, I was gonna go hit the rep for a bat so I can have some freaking cells. That'll do. Oh, here.
Let's do some shopping.
I forgot you have no shields. Like, you're fucking sitting there like a dead panda.
Don't mind if I do.
No way out.
Hold on, I need to heal.
I need help.
Arms up. We're not in the ring. Move now. Enemy there.
Not so fast. Time to hide.
Broken enemy's shield.
Reloading.
Corridor.
Recharging shields.
Our aim is clear.
Shield battery here.
Welcome.
Might as well just wait for your ult again. There's so much shit here.
That new upgrade.
Ring closing. Ready in the next ring.
Happy we're in ring. Wait, did I not get a second item? Did I get a second item? No, I didn't.
I almost shot that.
Barrel stabilizer here. Let's see what we have over here. Standard stock here. Level 3.
Big.
I need a laser sight. I need a hop up. Hammer point.
They're all fake mirages.
Marking our surroundings.
Except for that one down there.
Nope, that one's fake too.
He thinks it's real.
Thermite out.
That's fake, right?
Yep, it's fake. He's
Find over there.
Let's go that way,
Let's
actually.
head that way. Tossing jump drive.
I must get my vengeance.
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
I feel like I can get this one right here.
Yeah, just do that one right there. Yeah, I'm thinking that's a safe bet.
Good, run away.
Mm-hmm.
Who me?
Surely
Oh,
you can
yeah.
take the title from them.
Holy cow! We brought 2 teams over there.
Jump drive set.
Sending a bunch of fake mirages, and he's standing way too far out in the open.
I bet we'll find something good here.
My ult is almost fully charged.
Get over here!
Over here. Let's go.
I hate him.
Replicator incoming.
Face stare here. Pretty good.
Careful. New kill leader.
I'm under.
Dumbass.
1 minute until the ring closes, and
Marking our surroundings.
Don't run in the open.
He said it. I was half awake, so all I heard was, "You're gonna have to talk to my partner about horns," and then went back to sleep.
Oh, someone wants mermaid ears. But like cat? So that we were talking about 3D printing stuff?
Let's find something good.
Oh, that's a late drop. You're gonna have better luck going over there to
I wonder
there.
what we'll find over there.
Since we're safe, I'm gonna go there.
Yay, longbow.
I haven't been able to find one myself.
Mama's got a brand new bag.
I'm always bloodhound.
That's fine. We're still in circle here. I know it's not the best spot, but where are they shooting down to? They went over there.
Enemy over. Target over there. Shooting.
Behind us too.
Hmm.